Hey, what's up guys, this is John from backontheroaddiy. Today we're gonna be installing a bathroom sliding door. No more curtains. My wife is tired of them, so we're getting rid of them, and I'm gonna show you how to do the installation. Let's do it. Okay, so let's start by degreasing the area where we're going to be working at. These tiles I had put a wax on a couple days ago, so that's why I'm using a strong degreaser to remove the wax. If you haven't done that, you could use alcohol to clean the area. Now I'm marking 3/8 of an inch across the top. That's what the instructions recommend. The rails have two sides, one deeper than the other. The deeper side is gonna be facing you, and the other one, the shorter ones, is gonna be facing the wall. Now with the help of a level and painter's tape, we're gonna align the rail with the mark we put in the bottom and do this on both sides. With the help of a pencil, mark the holes from inside the rail. Now make sure you use a tile bit to drill this hole if you have tile. I'm starting with 1/8 of an inch, and then I'm going to the recommended on the instruction, which is 3/8 of an inch. That is the size for the wall anchors. You read your instructions and do it with the drill bit that fits now. Your size a rubber mallet to push in the wall anchors. Now this is the washer and screw used for the rails. It goes one on top and one in the bottom on both rails, not in the middle, just top and bottom. Remember that. Make sure the screw is all the way in the washer, because when you put the glass, you don't want the glass to touch the screw, it will break it. So just make sure it's very snug. This is the one that goes in the middle of the rail. It's a divider, so make sure, same thing, make sure the screw is all the way in. Now get a measurement on the top of the rail from wall to wall. I cut it to size using my circular saw, and then you just slide it on top. Now put these steel looking washers on top and mark the hole on both sides. After drilling, mine was 1/8 of an inch, screwing the screw to secure the top rail. Okay, here I'm just test fitting these pieces of silicone that goes under the glass. It's 3 pieces. One goes like in the middle, and 2 small pieces that go on each corner. Only on the corner pieces you're gonna put silicone. It's just so it locks in place, you know. And also you might have to cut. I didn't have to cut because the size was fine, but if it's too long, you're gonna have to cut it to fit in the middle of those 2 pieces. Now I'm going to put the wheels on top of the glass. These are the wheels that go on the top rail, so the door slides left to right. Make sure you read the glass. It has a label that says this side in, so that's gonna help you with the direction you're gonna put the wheels in. You have to disassemble the wheel because it's just removing the screw, and in between you're gonna have like a little cylinder rubber thing that goes in the hole in the glass, just as you guys see me doing there. And then you're gonna slide the piece on top, making sure that stays in place, and then you just screw back the screw. This is just so the screw doesn't have contact with the glass. Now I'm going to install the first glass door. Quick tip: if you're doing the inside door, you go inside the bathtub and you go like in a 45 angle, as you guys see me doing there, and you're gonna see how the wheels get on the rail, and then when it passes the rails, you get the glass straight so they fall on top of the rail, if you understand what I mean. And then after you do that, you drop it slowly and it's gonna hold it just like that. Look, now it's good, and you just check it, you slide it left to right to see if everything stays in place. Now we do the same with the other door, just this time, since it's the outside door, we do it from outside, and it's gonna be the same thing. Put it in a 45 angle, go all the way up, and when you go all the way up, you get the door straight so it falls on the rail. For the bottom rail, take the measurements from inside both rails and cut it to size. And before you check it, you have to remove the washer that we installed at the beginning, just one on the right side, the one in the bottom, as you guys see me doing there. The reason for this is because we cut it to size, so to be able to put it inside we have to slide it from the top, and since the washer is on the way we have to remove it so it slide with no problem, like I'm going to show you right here. And also you're gonna have to be careful and play with the door. You see right there, the glass door, I'm moving it so it gives me enough play to put the rail inside the other rail, and now I slide it all the way to the bottom. Don't forget to reinstall the washer and the screw. Now measure from wall to wall and mark the center, and at the center we're gonna install the divider. This gets installed from inside the bathtub, as you guys see here. Then mark the 2 holes, and using an 1/8 of an inch drill bit, drill the 2 holes for the screws. And sorry guys, at this point my camera was about to die, so after I screwed the divider, I put silicone, clear silicone all around the rails, inside and outside. And I also installed the handles on the doors, as you guys see here. And that is about it guys. Hope you guys like the video. It's pretty easy, anybody can do it. So if you like it, make sure you subscribe, like and comment. This was a very affordable and easy upgrade to the bathroom. My wife was very happy because she didn't like those curtains. And guys, if you guys like the video, I'm gonna leave 2 more videos right here so you can keep watching, and please help me grow this channel. And somewhere right here, subscribe.